Hello, welcome to our YouTube channel, Miriam Leonardo Tango.
Today we're going to be working in an Ocho Cortado, but it is a different variation, especially for the leaders, and it'll be so much fun.
Also for the followers, there's a lot of technique and fun work with your hips.
Before we initiate with the video, make sure to subscribe, like, and share with your friends. That'll be much appreciated. Now, let's get to work.
Okay, here we are. So we are going to work on Ocho Cortado and variations for the leader and what to do for the followers.
So we are going to show you first very quickly the sequence. 1, 2, para pa pam pam, para pa pam pam, pa 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 pam pam.
Very playful.
So if you notice, it is an Ocho Cortado. We did a while ago, we did another video showing you the Ocho Cortado where we put the right foot for the leader to stop the leg. Can I do this very quick? We were showing you to position your foot here or to rock with her into the Ocho Cortado. We have those two options. But this one is a little more advanced, requires a little more disassociation and more the control of your body weight leaders.
Okay, we'll show you that. Slow motion. We're going to the side. Rock step. Getting ready to the second rock step. Going to the cross and resolution.
So let me see the other side. I want to show you very quick this something. When we are doing this, 1, rock and step. If you notice, I'm leaving my left foot and leading her and forward step without me stepping with her. So why? This is the first quarter of rotation we have. The other 3 quarters, we're going to use it sending her around, not too close to us. If you notice, she's getting a little bit apart from me, and I will disassociate to stop the leg from here. It can be stopping, we are not stopping with the foot, we are stopping with the left hand, and then pulling to bring her back, and we just pivot to face her. Make sure at this moment, do not end up facing where you are facing now. I will show you why, because if I do this, I will drag her. So I am the one that I need to readjust, pivoting and facing her in order to maintain the relation with the upper body.
Rules for the followers to be able to do this for the leader, because if you don't keep your technique, it's hard for him to change from leg, back sacada, rock step. So followers, remember, we always send the leg for the rock step and then send the leg front without body weight. This is free of weight. So here he can decide what to do on the second rock step. So we'll feel the lead, he's sending us to the side. Again, I'm presenting the leg, but I'm not jumping on top of my left leg. And then I feel the lead to the rock step. When I do rock step, this is the variation that he's using. So now in this case, I can extend this leg when he's doing that like position for back sacada or little sacada. And I'm not bringing this in. So I keep extending out. So he can do this. Now back to position. When he recuperates the position, I'm pivoting and facing the leader. Be careful, don't try to go forward. So on this axis, not moving from there, I'm going to pivot first. I know I'm in front of a leader, so I can do the cross, resolve from this position. So tip for the followers is always after the rock step, extend the leg, no body weight. And after the second rock step, don't retract, don't go back with that foot. Keep it in position on the same place or even larger to go back and go to the cruzada. Then he will be playing with different style of Ocho Cortados.
Yes, so we are going to do it now in regular speed. But before that, we would like to thank you everybody that is contributing to the growing of this channel with the super thanks. We are creating a little saving with all that money because we are using it only for cameras, lighting, all for you. We are improving even better our videos. So thank you, thank you, thank you. All this will go back to you. Yes?
Good.
Yes, so
Let's go back to the step. So we have the side step.
1, pam, pam, pam,
Feel the Ocho Cortado
pam,
leg.
pam, pam, pam.
Ocho Cortado cross, back, side, and together.
One more time with a little more dynamic now. We go and 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. If you notice, we can maintain the close embrace all the time. It can be in open embrace. Can we do it one in open and one in close embrace?
Of course.
So in open embrace, we can do 1, like more salon style, 1 and 2, ta-da-pa-pum. Wow, 1, pum, pum. We have more space to work around, or very, very close embrace. We need more disassociation, but definitely tak, tak, pum, 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 pum. Very, very close embrace. And close embrace doesn't mean that we are collapsing to each other. We're still with our shoulders back.
Both styles, close embrace, open embrace. Remember, the technique for the legs is the same technique. We always have to rock a step without collecting.
Yes.
Rock a step from the hip, extending the front leg, extending the second move. Now when we do a rock step on the side, it's extending the right leg. In this case, I'm rocking on the right, I'm on my left, sorry, on the left, and extending the right. So even in close embrace, open embrace is always going back to this point, and from here, pivot to the cross. Same technique for both.
Thank you so much for completing this course. It means you are really working hard to be an awesome tanguero or tanguera.
Keep enjoying the videos. If you do, please subscribe, like, and share with your friends. That really helps.
We look forward to seeing you in the next one.
Bye.